Introducing the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Silverado 2500 HD has the brains and brawn to deliver smart, dependable work performance in today's highly connected, ever-demanding environment. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, premium sound system, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Don't you deserve a truck you can depend on when the going gets tough? Drive the Silverado 2500 HD.